Have a 1SC file from an Autodesk 123D Catch photogrammetry project? This is a 3D scene reconstructed from photographs, and I'll help you access it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to work with these 123D Catch scene files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep 1SC file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. 1SC files are 3D scene files, created by Autodesk 123D Catch a discontinued photogrammetry application that generated 3D models from sets of photographs. They contain reconstructed 3D mesh geometry, photo-derived textures, camera position data, and scene alignment information created through automated multi-view stereo reconstruction processing. Autodesk 123D Catch 1.sc files use a proprietary format, storing the photogrammetric reconstruction results, including triangulated mesh data, per-vertex color, photo texture projections, camera calibration parameters, and point cloud registration data from the multi-view reconstruction pipeline. Most installations default to associating Autodesk 123D Catch from Autodesk Inc. with 1.sc. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows can show only the basics, so full technical review relies on proper 3D visualization apps. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your 1SC file and choose Open With. Test Autodesk 123D Catch first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If your 1SC file will not open yet, do not panic. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, accessing legacy files. Since Autodesk 123D Catch is discontinued, existing 1SC files may need conversion for continued use. If you previously exported the model from 123D Catch to OBJ STL or FBX, those standard format files remain the best path to accessing the 3D content in any modern 3D application. Next, using modern alternatives. For current photogrammetry workflows, use Autodesk ReCap, which succeeded 123D Catch, or alternatives like Meshroom Free Reality, Capture, or Agisoft Metashape. These applications generate 3D models from photographs in standard formats, including OBJ FBX and GLTF, without the proprietary 1SC container format. Finally, opening exported models. If you have OBJ or STL exports from your original 123D Catch project, open them in Blender Mesh Lab or any 3D viewer. These standard formats preserve the mesh geometry and texture data. Import into your current 3D application for further editing, measurement visualization, or 3D printing preparation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.